Alright, last night I did the driver's side. Today I'm doing the passenger side. I'm changing out the headlight on the 2007 Toyota Tundra. This is a i4 5.7 V8. Very easy to change. Alright, now I'm showing you how to do the passenger side. And I'll show you how to do it. Remove the headlight without taking this part off, without taking all this off, because sometimes they're a lot rusted and it's going to be a lot more work to do that. Or without removing this whole thing like a bunch of other videos are showing you. You can just easily do it through the back right here. So you're going to come in the passenger side right here, come behind that water jug. Alright, come behind the water jug. This is the water jug. Come behind the water jug. And you got the light right there. What you're going to do is disconnect it. Probably be better disconnect it before you. Remember, in the back right there. Back right there on the tip. It's the wire going to it, but on the tip right there. Let me turn that around right there. On the tip right there, you're going to push down on the back to disconnect it. You might not be able to see it on camera here, but let me see if I can sneak in there. You're going to push this part down, push down. And push down, pull the wire out, see? And all you're going to do now, you're going to twist this light bulb all the way, you're going to twist it down all the way. There's no way to show you without covering. Anyway, let me get it from right here, look. See how I turned it all the way down? I don't know if you can see that there. And then you're going to pull it out. You're going to wiggle it out of there, see? So you can put a new one in there. This is the new one. Now something, you're going to go in there, try not to touch the bulb, remember? Don't touch the bulb. And try not to hit too many things with it when you're going in either. Try not to touch too many things. Just put it in the hole right there. Remember, it was facing down when I pulled it out, so face it down. So you feel it get in the slot there. And then you see how I'm turning it back up already? There it is. I got it turned up all the way. It's harder to see now because it's a black one. The other one was a different color on there. Now you're going to get the wire. And you're just going to push it in there. See if I can. It's easy to do. It's just I'm trying to show you on camera. Well, you see what I mean. Yeah, I can't do it. But anyway, like I told you, put the light in there, turn it. Once you get in there, just get the clip in there, push it in. See, and it's already in there. That's how easy it was. Now I'm gonna turn the light on. Just turn the light on. Both lights are working. Remember, this is the one that was off and we replaced it last night. This morning, I'll come show you how to replace this one because it was dark and I was tired and I had to run the store right quick. But same thing. Same with all of these in here. They're easy to replace, and some people show you to pull everything out. And you don't have to pull everything out to do that. Usually, like I said, here's the driver's side. You just come over here and get to it pretty easy right there. Just pull it out and twist it just like we did the other side over there. Now I'm gonna throw this light away because this one was burnt. trying to do it with one hand. This one I'm gonna keep because that one was actually good. It's still good, but we changed it out just so they're equal. Because one was a little brighter, one was less. So I'll keep the other ones a spare for later. Anyway, it's hot out here in Texas, man. It's crazy. But thank you for watching my video, and I appreciate it. Subscribe. Go watch some other videos. I got all kinds of different videos there. But thank you for watching. I will be doing some more. I will be changing the belt, turpentine belt, out today, and hopefully I can get that video up today too. The belt right here has been squeaking. I got the belt, I just haven't got my lazy butt to put it on. See, you got the belt right here. That's the next project right here. We went to the beach instead. Alright, man. Yeah, thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate it. Later. The next thing I gotta fix is this too. I don't know if anybody's had that problem. See, when you go push the switches, it just pushes down. So that's my next project there. See, the switches go down when you're trying to use it. I gotta pull up to lock and unlock. So I'm trying to lock and unlock, so it won't do nothing. I gotta hold it up. I'll be fixing that too, so I'll show y'all. That's it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I forgot to put the light in the truck. I'll get it in a minute. Thank you. Okay, the Silverstar Ultra H11 is the light that I'm about to put on there. Of course, this is the used one. I didn't give you no info on that. When I change the light bulb, I'll just show you how to change it. But not figure, well, let me. It started raining out there. I was gonna do another video, but it started raining out there. Let me show them the light bulb I use. I use a Silverstar Ultra H11. It's brightest down road and water light. Yeah. All right, man. Y'all use whatever y'all want. That's what I use. Like I said, I'm not getting paid to advertise none of these, and I'm just letting you know what I use. I don't know what's better or not. I just know I got the light working. Thank you for watching. Later. Well, guess I'm not doing the belt video today. It's raining. Started raining.